In this tutorial, I will be showing you a few simple yet effective things you can do with dates in Excel. Firstly, let's say we want to get today's date in the text format. We'd simply press Control and semicolon, and there we go. We've got the current date in a text format. If you want to add a day that is constantly updating, we'd use the today function, which is equals today, open brackets, close brackets, enter. And now every time the date is changed, this cell will be updated. So what if you wanted to get the day or month or year of a date? We'd simply do equals day, select the cell or type in a date that you want, close brackets, enter. And for month, we do something similar, close brackets, enter. And for year, something also very similar. And close brackets and enter. So, say we wanted to add or subtract days, months, or years from a date. What we'd do is we'd do equals the date plus 5 to add 5 days on. And if you want to add 5 months on, you do equals date, open brackets, you place the year, comma, the month, and you add or subtract however many months you'd like to add or subtract from it. In this case, we're going to add 5 months onto the current date, comma, and put the date in, and close brackets. And there you go, we've added 5 months to the current date. Another way we can do this is by using the eDate function, which is equals eDate, open brackets, we put in the date that we'd like to add 5 months on, comma, and 5, close brackets, enter, and there you go. We've got the exact same result, but we've achieved it in a different way. So say we wanted to subtract 5 years from the current date, we'd do something similar to what we did here. So equals date, open brackets, we put the year, minus 5, comma, the month, comma, the day, and close brackets, enter. And there we go. We've subtracted 5 years from the current date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.